Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Listening Practice Podcast. I'm Isabel, your English teacher.
And hi, everyone. I'm Leon. I'm here learning English step by step with all of you.
Today's video is specially made for beginner English learners. If you want to improve your listening and speaking skills in a very easy, natural way, you are in the right place.
That's right. Isabel, what are we going to talk about today?
Today, we are going to talk about daily life. We will talk about what we do every single day, how to practice English even when you're super busy, how to stop being afraid of making mistakes, and 3 super easy tips to boost your English every day.
Wow, that sounds amazing. Are you ready, everyone? Let's start.
Let's talk about daily life. What do you do every day? Leon, I will tell you and our listeners about my daily routine from morning to night. Listen closely and see if your day is similar to mine.
I am listening. Tell us, Isabel.
Every day I do many simple things. In the morning, I wake up at 7 a.m. Then I get out of bed, I brush my teeth, and I wash my face.
That sounds like a fresh start to the day. What do you do after that?
After that, I have breakfast. I usually eat toast and eggs, and I drink a hot cup of coffee. I love morning coffee.
Me too. Coffee gives me energy. What time do you start work?
After breakfast, I start work. I work on my computer at home. Sometimes, if the weather is nice, I go outside for a short walk to get fresh air.
Walking outside is so relaxing. What about lunch?
At 12 p.m., I eat lunch. I like to eat rice, chicken, and fresh vegetables. In the afternoon, I read books or study new things. Sometimes I listen to podcasts or music in English.
And what about the evening?
In the evening, I cook dinner for my family. After dinner, I relax. I watch a nice video or read a good book. At 10 p.m., I go to bed and fall asleep. This is my regular daily life. What about you, Leon? Is your day similar?
Yes, Isabel, my day is very similar. I wake up, drink tea, work on my laptop, and go to sleep. It feels so nice to describe daily life in easy English.
Now, let me ask our listeners a question. Do you want to learn English, but you feel too busy?
Oh, I hear people say that all the time. I don't have time to study English for 3 hours.
Exactly. But don't worry, you do not need 3 hours. You can use your normal daily life to practice English in small, easy ways every single day. Let's make English a simple part of your daily routine.
How do we do that, Isabel? Can you show us?
Yes. I don't study for hours and hours. I study just a little bit every day. In the morning, while I drink my coffee, I listen to English. I listen to easy English podcasts or short videos. This helps my brain learn new words without stress. In the afternoon, I read something short in English. Just a simple short story or easy news article. Just 10 or 15 minutes is enough. At night, I write in my notebook. I write 2 or 3 simple sentences about my day. For example, today I went to the park. It was sunny. I felt very happy. Writing simple sentences helps me remember vocabulary.
Isabel, what about speaking? How can beginners practice speaking at home alone?
I speak a little English every day by talking to myself out loud.
Talking to yourself? Really?
Yes, really. When I am in the kitchen, I say out loud, I am making tea now. Or when I am cleaning, I say, I am cleaning my room. It might feel a little funny at first, but it trains your speech muscles and builds confidence. You don't need hours, just do a little bit every day. That is the best way to learn. Now, Leon, I want to share something very, very important with everyone listening right now.
What is it, Isabel?
Learning English is not easy, and that is completely okay. Maybe you feel shy when you speak. Maybe you feel nervous and think, what if I make a mistake?
Wow, Isabel, that was me every single day. I used to be so afraid of making grammar mistakes.
Please listen to me. Don't worry. It is 100% okay to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. Even native English speakers make mistakes when they talk fast.
Really? Even native speakers?
Yes. Maybe you feel sad when you don't understand everything in a video. That is completely normal. We all feel that way when we learn something new. But guess what? You are here today. You are listening, you are trying, and that is amazing.
That makes me feel so much better.
You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep going. Speak a little, listen a little, and learn a little every single day. I believe in you. You can do this. You are doing great, so smile and keep learning. You are not alone. Now, let's give our audience 3 practical, super easy tips to practice English at home every day. Are you ready, Leon?
Yes, I'm taking notes. What is tip number 1?
Tip number 1, listen to English every day for just 5 to 10 minutes. You can listen to music, short podcasts, or simple videos. You don't need to understand every single word. Just let your ears get used to the sounds of English. Over time, your brain will automatically understand more and more. That's so easy. 5 minutes is nothing. What is tip number 2? Tip number 2, speak a little English out loud every day. Talk to yourself at home. Say simple sentences like, I am cooking dinner, or it is a beautiful sunny day today. You can also repeat sentences after us in this video. Speaking out loud helps your brain and your mouth work together smoothly. Don't be shy, just try it.
I love that. And what is tip number 3?
Tip number 3, learn 3 new words every day. Just 3 words, that's all. Write them down in a notebook, say them out loud, and try to use them in a sentence. Do you know how many words that is in 1 month?
Let me calculate. 3 words times 30 days.
That is 90 new words in just 1 month. Exactly. These 3 tips are very simple, but they really work. Listen, speak, and learn 3 words every day. You can do it.
Isabel, let's practice those 3 simple steps together with our viewers right now.
Great idea. Let's repeat 5 powerful encouragement sentences out loud together. Repeat after me and Leon. I am learning English every day.
I am learning English every day.
It is okay to make mistakes.
It is okay to make mistakes.
My English is getting better step by step.
My English is getting better step by step.
I am proud of my progress.
I am proud of my progress.
I can speak English with confidence.
I can speak English with confidence.
You did an amazing job today. You showed up, you listened, and you practiced. That is how real progress happens.
Be proud of yourselves. You took 20 minutes today to invest in your future.
Remember, small steps every day lead to big results. You can listen to this video again tomorrow while making coffee or taking a walk. Question of the day. We want to hear from you. Leave a comment below and answer this question in simple English. Why are you learning English? Is it for work, travel, school, or personal growth?
Isabel and I love reading your comments and replying to you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next lesson. Keep learning, keep smiling, and we will see you in the next video. Bye-bye, everyone. Have a wonderful day.